$200 wireless, $10 wired. What's up guys, my name's Quinn and today I'm going to show you how to get this lav mic into your camera for 10 bucks. Now it's not going to be a wireless solution, but if you're on a budget, you can save yourself literally $190 using this method. So first let's talk about the Rode Wireless Go. I've had this for a little while now. I really like it. It goes for about 200 USD. It's obviously more in Canada. Everything is more for us. The beauty of it is that it's so tiny. So I always have this in my camera bag. I just stick it in a little pouch that it came in, throw it in my camera bag. I always have a wireless audio solution, but it does come at a price. It's 200 bucks. But if you require wireless audio often, this is a great solution. It's the cheapest one you're gonna find for the highest quality. And then we have the $10 wired option. So you would actually plug your lav mic into this cable, extender cable, and then directly into the camera. Obviously, you can't move around freely. You have a cable with you everywhere you go, running with you. However, if you're just doing a scenario like this where you're just talking to the camera, this is pretty good. Now, the most important thing with this solution is that you still buy a good lav mic. Don't go buy some cheap lav mic. It's never gonna sound good. You wanna get a reputable brand like Rode, like Sennheiser, something like that. And then what you can do is you can actually use this solution to start, and then you can upgrade at some point. If you're finding, oh, you know what, I do want the wireless solution, then drop the 200 bucks on the wireless solution. You already have the mic. This kit comes separate. You can buy it together with the mic or you can buy it separate. So you would just buy this kit later and then pair the mic with it and then you're good to go. So now we've got the breakdown of both of these options. So I'm just gonna reset a few things here and let's see how they sound. Just for reference, these are gonna be both going into the Sony a7 III and I will do some side-by-side tests for you. All right, so test number one, we've got the Rode Wireless Go here. We've got the lav mic going into it, into the transmitter, and then we've got the receiver going directly into the camera. Also, I just want to make note that the a7 III is recording at volume input level 5, and I'll give you a little bit of silence as well. All right, so now let's try the wired solution. So I'm going to unplug this wireless and I'm going to plug in the wired connection. And now this is the wired audio. You can see it's running from this lav into the extender here and then directly into the camera. Very easy solution. And as you can see, there is nothing running into the Wireless Go. The mic is in the exact same spot and the settings in the camera for the audio input are at 5 again. So same exact settings as we had before. And I'll give you guys a little bit of silence as well. How do you guys think the $10 solution sounds versus the $200 solution? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much guys for checking this video today. I really appreciate it. I'm actually still recording with this wired solution right now. I just didn't flip everything back and hopefully it sounds okay. If you guys like this video, please do like, subscribe, comment, and that will just really give me the motivation to keep doing more of these. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, please do so. Go to the channel, check them out. All right, take care guys. Thanks a lot.